Hi everybody, I'm so happy to be here with you today in front of our Shore Connection box prototype in our laboratory in Grenoble. This ShoreBoX is a Schneider Electric answer to be compliant with the international regulation MARPOL Annex 6. The effect of the globalization increased the pollution in a port area. So to limit the effect, Schneider Electric has developed a global tank solution to stop emission when ships dock. No noise, no vibration, no emissions. I leave you with my colleagues of the Shore Connection team to describe in detail some parts of this project.
As you can see, the ShoreBoX is an all-in-one system. It includes all the components to supply electrical power from the grid to the ship up to 3 MVA and compliant with the Shore Connection international standards. It is built in our manufacturing plant using 100% Schneider Electric standard products, and it requires only 7 months to deliver it to our customers from date of order. We have followed a very tough testing process, including simulation in our labs and retesting using this actual prototype. And we are able now to deliver the product with a very high level of reliability and safety. The ShoreBoX is ready to use. It can be installed and commissioned on site within 2 weeks. It can be moved in case of port activity relocation, and it's very simple to use thanks to the centralized comprehensive HMI.
The electrical architecture of the compact ShoreBoX is made of 5 main stages. The first stage consists in connecting the ShoreBoX to the grid. It is made through a medium voltage circuit breaker type RM6 with a rated voltage from 5.5 kV up to 24 kV. Downstream we will find the first medium voltage dry type power transformer with rated power of 2200 kVA or 3300 kVA. His role is to lower the voltage to 400 volts. The frequency conversion is made by specific components called GFC. Each of them have a rated power of 500 kV, and its role is to make conversion from 50 to 60 Hz. We'll find a second transformer, very similar to the first one, whose role is to raise the voltage up to the ship level. It could be 6.6 or 11 kV. Downstream, we will find the last MV switchboard with several functions. The first function is the main circuit breaker. We will also have a grounding switch whose role is to automatically ground the system during the connection. We will also find up to 3 connection points, with each of them being equipped with a dedicated switch. In addition to these 5 stages, we will find a set of auxiliary cabinets and switchboards managing different functions: global control system, HMI, low voltage distribution, cooling management, frequency conversion interface management, as well as ship interface management. Connecting a ship to the grid through the compact ShoreBoX system is pretty simple, and everything can be managed through the HMI. The first step consists in checking availability of the system, as well as the status of the safety loop. Then, regarding information provided by the ship, frequency shall be set up on the HMI through a specific dedicated command. As soon as all elements are ready, including cable connection, the automatic connection can be started from the push button. The connection procedure includes 5 main steps. First one is GFC wake up. At this point, all frequency converters will be ready to get coupled. Then one of the converters will be coupled in order to magnetize the downstream transformer. All other units will then be coupled, and the final steps basically consist in opening the grounding switch and closing the main circuit breaker. Additional features like local control of the medium voltage circuit breakers or local control of the frequency converters are only available for maintenance users. An exhaustive test plan has been set up in order to test, validate and document our solution. The objective is also to reduce the time spent for commissioning on site. Verification of the design and performances has been made according to the standard IEC 62271-202 for HV substations. Among others, the tests performed were dielectric test, temperature rise test, verification of degree of protection, or verification of mechanical stress withstand. The validation of our solution regarding Shore Connection requirements has also been made, involving tests on interlocking arrangements, safety loop, shore-to-ship connection and disconnection procedures, as well as quality of power supplies. Finally, we also perform specific tests driven by Schneider Electric internal requirements for operation under degraded modes.
So, this ShoreBoX is totally available for customer visits. If you want to come to visit us, please send us a mail. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.